Hello class, and welcome again to ACLT 053. It is hard to believe that this is the very end of the semester, and as such we will be discussing what your final portfolio will look like. Please note your final portfolio is due on Tuesday, December 10th. Please check the calendar for more information in Blackboard. Let's take a look at the requirements for this end-of-year portfolio. You will be presenting and uploading to assignments 3 of your previously written essays that were significantly revised. So the first essay from the first learning module, the second essay from the second learning module, and the third essay from the third learning module. Your essay from the fourth learning module, the grade module, will not be included in this portfolio. With the revised essays that you have submitted, you will need to write a revision reflection for each of the revised essays. So after revising the essays to make them as publishable as possible, error-free, and with the notations that I've given you to revise, when I initially graded your essay, I want you to now write a 2 to 3 paragraph revision reflection for each of these essays, answering the following questions. 1. What are the strengths of this essay as related to the course objectives? Think about the critical thinking and the writing objectives and give examples, specific examples from your essay to support your answer. 2. What are the weaknesses of this essay as related to the course objectives? Be sure to discuss the reading, the critical thinking, and the writing objectives. Give specific examples from your essay to support your answer. 3. What specific changes did you make to the essay to address the weaknesses and the feedback from your instructor? Give specific examples from the revised essay to support your answer. So after completing those 3 paragraphs for each of the 3 revised essays, I would like you to give me a writing that's a semester reflection as you reflect on your entire semester in ACLT 053. Write a letter to your next English professor or to another professor you'll have when you take a course next semester. Answer the following. How are you prepared for the academic rigor and expectations of future courses? What have you learned about reading, writing, and critical thinking from this course? Use specific examples from your essays to assess yourself. Discuss the complete writing process that helped you compose your most successful essay. Include steps you took from pre-writing to revision to final product. What reading and writing skills will you need to continue to develop in order to be successful? And how will the skills you learned in this course be useful in other courses and in also real life? Refer to those specific skills. So that's what I'd like you to do. You'll upload your assignments to the assignments tab once you're completing it during the final exam week, and that is for the final portfolio. The final portfolio is due during final exam week. Please check the calendar.